if you watched my vlog from a couple of weeks ago, you will know that we went with my family to the Harry Potter studio tour in Watford, and what better thing to get from Harry Potter World than some of Bertie Bott's every flavoured beans. So I thought a great way to test these out would be to have a challenge. So we have got beans in a bowl, and we have got some questions for each other. It's going to be like a how well do you know each other kind of quiz. So we have got 5 questions each, and for every question that we get wrong, we have to eat a bean. But if the other person gets a question right, the asker has to eat a bean as well. We have no idea what flavours they are. They could be good, they could be bad. So Pete, you are going to ask the first question.
Pressure.
Pressure, much pressure.
I've
I've heard there's vomit flavour in this, which I'm not looking forward to.
Yeah. Hello, my name is Peter Thornley. I have no imagination whatsoever.
This one smells like soap.
You're sniffing the beans! Who told you can sniff the beans? What's my grandmother's first name? That's my dad's, the surviving grandmother. Cut that. Cut that. Cut that. It's been a while, it's okay.
I've met her as well, haven't I?
Yeah,
that's what's really bad. I have no idea.
No idea.
Gladys? Right. Jill? No.
Well.
Jill's my mum's name.
Yeah, you got it right. In a way.
In a way.
In a way. Jillian.
That's the same name.
Yeah, it is.
Same thing. So you have to have a bean. Close your eyes and pick a bean. Close your eyes.
Yellow. Yellow.
Yeah, okay,
Lemon.
oh, damn.
Yellow and it's lemon.
Okay. Right, so my first question for you, and if you get half of these right, then I'll say you got it right. What did I do for my A-levels? I only told you this last night, so you should remember.
I had some guesses. Japanese? Is that for A-level?
No, that was GCSE.
Oh.
Come on, you can have some more guesses.
Well, yeah, you'd be better at it.
So you need to get at least 2 right, and you've got 1 wrong so far.
Psychology?
Yes.
Art and design?
Yes. Well done. Maths and English were the 2. So,
Maths.
God, yeah.
What is it?
Oh, it's a very bright blue, which is a bit worrying.
Blue.
I'm hoping it's blueberry.
Blueberry doesn't look. There's no clues whatsoever.
I can't tell. Like, I feel like it's a nice flavour, but it tastes slightly aniseedy, which I don't like.
Might be peppermint.
That's an ish. That's a definite ish flavour. Right, your second question for me.
What's my favourite comic/graphic novel author?
I don't know why, but the first thing that popped in my head was M. Night Shyamalan. I'm thinking that is not an author at all.
I mean, he's made movies about comic books.
Oh, okay.
I say author. I say author.
Illustrator, I think we're going off now.
No, not illustrator.
Oh my god, I'm trying to think who the guy that did Watchmen.
Yep.
I don't know what his name is. Oh.
Watchmen, V for Vendetta.
Yes, all these people.
Swamp Thing.
I'm sorry, I don't know what his name is. What's his name?
His name is Alan Moore.
That's the one.
Alan Moore.
Right. Okay.
Great man.
Bean me.
Bean.
Oh. Right. Bright green.
Bright green.
We're going to bright
Lime.
green.
Lime.
Or apple.
Oh yeah.
Apple. It's good bean. It's a good bean. Right, my second question to you. What is my favourite movie genre?
If it's a genre, then it would be teen dance musicals. I think that would be it. Teen dance musicals. Has to have dancing. Maybe not singing.
I'll give you musicals. I will give you musicals, and I do like dancing films as well.
Step Up 2, Step Up
3, Step Up 4.
Probably 7 of them now.
Okay.
Sylvester
I'll give
Stallone
you that.
starring in the latest.
So I will. Oh, you got that right. So I have to have one again. I'm gonna get. I got pink. It tastes like those really old-fashioned sweets you get, like pear drops, but not pear drops. Makes any sense whatsoever. Good bean. Oh, it's got a bit of a metallic aftertaste, which is really dodgy.
Might just be the sweetness. Bad sweetness.
Maybe.
Good sweet.
Right, oh no, it's your turn now, isn't it? Getting ahead of myself.
What was my first job?
You worked at a campcraft or some random little camping store.
Yeah, that's right.
I say little, it was giant. And you used to not know a lot, so
read
the labels to customers.
I mean, I did know about the product, but if you lose,
okay, you say so, but it is.
It's waterproof. That's all they need to know. But it's like,
for you. I have a feeling the ones that are multicoloured are dodgy ones. Oh, you got a green one too. We know what that one is. We know what that one is. It's a very sweet apple.
Almost peary, it's that sweet.
Yeah, it might be pear actually. I'm really bad with flavours. Right, my third question for you is, what is my middle name?
Heather.
Oh, damn. I was hoping you wouldn't get that one.
Rachael Heather McKenzie.
Tell the world, I don't need. Okay. Oh. Now this is green and it's one colour, but it's very dark green. I have a feeling this might be like the bogey flavoured one or something.
How do you replicate that flavour?
Ooh! It's watermelon! Yes!
Look for one of them next time.
Like watermelon sweets, like that really quite sickly taste of watermelon. Okay, question number 4.
What is my favourite film? I'm very picky, but I do have a favourite.
It's gonna be something like violent, like Sin City, or
I like the comic books more than the film.
The Godfather. I'm trying to think we've got a DVD selection.
I don't have the Godfather. I should do, but I don't.
Comic book related things. Violence, lots of blood, shot in black and white. Damn, I don't know. I don't know. What is it?
The Matrix.
What?
Yeah.
You've never mentioned The Matrix to me once in your entire life.
It's because it's a film you can just watch. It's any film if I'm struggling, I'll pick that film if I can watch it.
I'm a little worried about this one. This one is pink with green and yellow speckles on. This is going to be vomit, isn't it?
No. Yes.
It's a very minty bubblegum.
Minty bubble.
Very minty bubblegum. Right, question number 4. What is my favourite flower?
Iris?
No, that's my nan's name.
No.
Also a flower. I can see the theme in my family right now.
Can I have another guess?
One more guess.
Orchid.
Oh, you ass. Yes! Okay.
That's a plant, not really a flower, an orchid.
It's a flower. It has a flower on it. Oh. Okay, this one looks like a duck egg, but brown.
Toffee. It'll be toffee.
I don't like toffee though. I don't want to bite it. Yeah. Oh.
You don't spit it out. Down it. Down it, you loser. What is it?
Oh, it is toffee.
It's only toffee and sugar.
No.
Eat it. Eat it.
No. Oh. I hate toffee. Can't stand toffee. Okay. The final question. So far, who's winning? I haven't even been keeping score.
I've only eaten 2.
I've eaten lots. I eaten quite a lot. So I'll say that he's winning. Right. Final question. I would say to decide the question, but I think I lost already.
Mine's kind of an easy one, I guess. What is my dream job?
You want to be like a mechanic-y type thing? No, you want to open your own bowling alley. Yes.
Yeah, that's right.
Yes.
Sad dream.
Beans, beans.
It's cream.
Cream.
I've got a beige bean.
That's going to be earwax, isn't it?
Beige.
That's going to be earwax. No, don't. You have to eat the whole thing.
Yeah, I'm getting to the flavour straight away.
Oh.
Yeah, here we go.
What does it taste like? That does not look like a good bean.
I don't know, it's like...
Is there any bad flavours in this? Do the bad ones taste good as well?
Oh, it's like... No, it's like...
This is the one that I'm worried about. This orange one with red specks on it.
It's like
or
fudge.
This green one with dark green specks on it.
It's like fudge, but they've flavoured it weirdly. It's like... It tastes a little minty.
Probably
and then,
is earwax.
I think they're trying to be horrible, but actually it's not that bad.
Okay.
They're all sweet.
Your final question. How many animals altogether do me and my parents currently have?
Well, your dad's got
in a house that should be a farm.
Yeah. Farm fish. Your dad's got about 12 fish. So we'll start with 12,
okay.
And then we'll go 12.
I'll let you do 2 either way.
A dog.
2
cats. So that's 15.
Well, 2 of them are sat right next to you.
2 alpacas. 16, 17. 2 gerbils. Right there. 18, 19. I'm going to go with 19.
We have 18, but you were within the 2 either way.
18?
So.
Oh, is it 11 fish?
Yes, I have 11 fish. Well, I don't. My dad has 11 fish. Right.
This.
Oh. This one looks like a cloud. It looks like a cloud.
A green cloud?
It's blue.
It'll be mint. Peppermint.
Holy crap.
What's up?
Holy shit. Oh my god. No.
I'm gonna try.
No. Oh my god. It's like soap. Oh, it tastes like
soap.
Soap. What do you mean, soap? You know, I'm eating an apple one to go with it.
It'd be funny if it isn't an apple one.
Oh, it's all stuck in my teeth. Oh.
Yeah, it's soapy. It's like licking soap.
Who puts soap flavoured things in there?
Like
right.
you get a bit in your hair, like mouth when you wash it.
So Pete clearly won this one. I need to go and wash my mouth out now. But I'm hoping that we can do some more quizzy type things soon with some more interesting and wonderful stuff. So if you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up. Thumbs up! And subscribe. Bye!
Subscribe. Bean extras.
So we thought that this bean would be vomit flavoured. Peter's eating it and turns out, yes, it is vomit flavoured and has dared me to eat it too.
Reaction time.
How much like vomit does this actually taste?
Well, it's still sweet in the background.
Is this gonna make me, because I feel sick already from that bloody challenge. I don't want to. Oh, just already, I've not even bit it.
Just bite it.
I've not
Just
even
bite
bit
it.
it. Oh my god. Oh my god.
You put 2 in your mouth.
Oh no. It tastes like vomit with cabbage in it. Cabbage and vomit! Oh, that is disgusting. Don't eat the green ones.